What's up, guys? First track video of the year. Clayton and Finns, their first time ever at the track, so give them a break. But they did pretty good for their first time, but enjoy the video, guys. It's gonna be a good one. Couple little crashes. We got some good clips, though. You guys always have to be super careful at these public tracks. That girl crashed right in front of me. If I wasn't paying attention, I could have ran her over. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, finally getting out to the track, and thank you guys for watching. We should be posting more often now that summers came around.